She said, is ubungoma a religion?
What you know? Ngicela ukutshela into eyodwa ngomuntu omnyama. Mawufuna ukuthi into ibe perfected kumuntu omnyama. Ngikutshela ngisho nama sports. Thina sisazi ukuthi sidlala ngamatshe. Sazi ukuthi bese kufika golf. Then it was introduced to abantu abamnyama. Abobana abalitayo ku golf. Akusabantu abamnyama.
If anyone believes in a certain deity of some sort that is not physical, mashabalela ngimamele. Mina nawe singabothisha.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Ungizwa kahle nje amhlophe. So, if anyone believes in a certain deity of some sort that is not in existence in the physical realm, but the deity is in existence in a spiritual realm, be it an earthly realm. Okay, mhlambe this deity exists emanzini or kambe mhlambe emhlabeni and all of that. Whatever deity, whatever unomkhubulwana, whatever inkosazana, whatever inkosi yolwandle, whatever it is, whatever deity that is there, it's not physically, but it's there. Namadlozi qobo lwawo siyakholelwa kuona because of siyawazi ukuthi ayaphila and because of we are a descendant of them. And for the fact that we believe in them, doesn't that makes us singabantu abamnyama ukuthi abelungu bathema bafika basithola sinenkolo yethu? By the way, I don't believe ukuthi unenzonza.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't believe? Are you telling me?
Yeah, ngiyamtshela.
Ukuthi
Ukuthi lamathosa mbe kwathwasisa manga. Nala bathwasisa inzumba ya manga kodwa.
Okay.
Okay. Go back.
Mina have my own perspective ukuthi unani.
Okay.
Tell us. Tell us.
So, usiphakamisele member person. Uyiphakamisini.
Hayi bomkhulu solo kwangishiya ngikhithi nginani.
Mamela. Hayi yehla le ngiyaza kuyona.
Ayisengiba curious phela. Awukwazi ukungishiya ngesigaba.
From edlozini
Awufuna watermelon.
asifake endaweni yodwa.
Hayi bo soyibeka lana ngeke uyifake la.
Okay. From edlozini usiphakamisele imimoya leyo, we descend to the water. And now these spirits, they become from idlozi to amathongo. Mamela.
Ungangikhohlisi. Mana, uthe uyanginabisela. Uthe mkhulu uyanginabisela.
All right.
Ungayikhuluma into engekho. Ngicela ungikhulumele into eqondile.
Sharp.
Angeke futhi size angeke umfukwa or amahosana asuke emgedeni ayongena elwandle angeke.
And immediately uthatha lisemanzini
Angeke.
into liphenduka enyiko.
Yingakho ujikisisa into nje kuthina ukuthi
That's why sikuthi
ushila ukuthi uyapreacher.
That's why sikuthi ngopreacher.
Uzolimaza abantu.
Why? Si preacher because of sibona ukuthi khona inkinga ekhona, then that's why thina siphiwa ama gift okwenzani wo preacher ke.
Akusi gift nana.
Uza kumakhosi afika athi okay.
Separate.
So you have this kind of spirit. Okay, sharp. Asiguqule. Let's turn it. Sithathe sisebenzise.
Ihlala isikhathi esingakanani forever.
Permanent.
Hey.
Permanent. Ngaleyo ndlela leyo
Yeka
osuke
lento
uyibeka.
ekhulumayo makhosi.
Permanent.
Ngicela yeka lento ekhulumayo.
Bona I've walked this
Sikhuluma
journey.
nabantwana babantu abamnyama
Trust me, mntasekhaya, I've been in this journey for the longest time.
Fine.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. Your host, Chef Patanani Mbata. So, okay. Marabatse uyagula.
Ngokuleyo mntasekhaya.
Umke ugula.
Uzoba bathi uzolashwa yini? Einkomo zingaka.
biza singakhi
Ayi, uyadura.
mana emnyama
Ayadura.
yehlisa umoya
Inkomo malini eyodwa?
iyaba 5,000 mamela
Hayi, inkomo 12,000. Mina inkomo ngithengisa 12,000 eyami.
yehlisa umoya hey nawe
Hayi,
ithi kangaka mamela emnyama thiqala emnyama namanga emnyama yebrown insomi
khona namabala.
ile black and white angazi manje noma number 3 noma number 4 but
Ibomvu.
it's between the two khona ebomvu ile ebrown but isabu tontoni bese kube le black and white number 4 ke loyo bese kube khona lemhlophe
Ba.
Mara nawe smart makhosi izinto oyikhuluma ngomlomo wakho. Wena wafike wakhuluma.
Ingakho bamfuna inkomo ezifana.
Wena wafike wakhuluma ukuthi isithunywa fit through sex.
it does
Namhlanje ukhuluma ngokuthi kuyabridgewa. Wena zonke lezi zinto engaka uyithatha.
no remember my guy that we grow into spirituality we grow siyakhula ku spirituality and we learn these things and sisithola singaphakathi kwe I don't want to say cult but kuma societies that actually teach us this spirituality kuthi phathanani abangoma including gokwakho ngapha ngiyambala naye
Bala mina njalo.
abangoma but they have this narrow minded yokuthi into if uyifunde kanje it has to go in this way
Serious.
yes and ka spirituality mina ngile nkomo grey I'm not black I'm not white I'm just grey I understand the sintu I understand the spirituality sona ngokwaso and I know how to bridge between the two you get me so if I say I know how to bridge it's because of sengi understand ukuthi ngale lo usebenza kanje nalo usebenza kanje therefore actually lo ama weaknesses wakhe ilawa nalo ama weaknesses wakhe lawa therefore I can actually bridge these two abelungu they came to present spirituality sabo to us you know there's another healer I don't want to mention his name I don't want to mention her name to give credit and stuff like that no I don't want to but she said is ubungoma a religion
Wathini wena?
okay
That language angiyifuni.
okay I repeat it
We must remove it.
Yeah.
Language.
Uthe na is ubungoma a religion and then ngamamela azange ngiphendule ma yangizwa so ngangamphendula because of ngangam-understand ngasikhathi sikahle uchaza uthini but then asicabangisise kahle ama-missionaries abelungu abasitholanga e-Afrika sinenkolo yethu inkolo yethu thina abantu esibiza ngokuthi yisintu sethu because that is what we actually believe in angithi i-religion itself it's a construct of belief in itself so if we say sikholelwa edlozini lethu and sikholelwa kubantu abadala nemimoya iqamago onomkhubulwana whatever
There is a difference between a religion and spirituality.
I am yet to learn on that and I'm very much open
Mina I'm on spirituality, I'm not in religion. I'm Konzi,
okay
uNkulunkulu othize.
mina I'm both
Mina I'm in
in spirituality
African spirituality.
okay mina I'm both into it and I'm yet to learn
Uyazi?
on, okay and I'm yet to learn
Yes.
on your concept right so umesho lokho then I was like if ubungoma it takes you from what you are and then it puts you to ilokhunjana
Ukhuluma nesiZulu phela amamantshizwa amanye.
yeah kuthatha ikufake ebungomeni uthwase ukholelwe edlozini if ngisho ubungakholelwe edlozini but uyithola usukholelwe edlozini ukuthi ngempela level ya exist and all of that what is it that separates ubungoma and religion
Idlozi akusinkolo. It will never be
uzongichazela
because it's a fact that there are people who lived before me. It's a fact. Akusiyinkolo. KwaShabalala 2000 years ago, there were people bakwaShabalala.
Okay.
It's a fact. It's not like I believe ukuthi lento beyikhona.
Okay.
It's not like a religion.
Okay.
Ukuthi ngiyakholelwa ukuthi kunoNkulunkulu omhlophe. KunoNkulunkulu oweza wazofela abantu. Into engaze engayila. Mina khona abantu engakukhomba manje ukuthi mina umkhulu wami uSabata. Ngezaphatha nani? uSabata ungcwatshelwe eMabuluka eDoronkop emathuneni. uSabata ubabakho uKikana. uKikana ungcwatshelwe eFrenacheng emaplazini. Ubaba kaKikana uTiti ongcwatshelwe naye emaplazini kodwa phezulu kunalo.
Shabalala.
Bese khona
Hold on.
bese kukhona omunye okungukuthi uzale uTiti obuya eSwatini eNambane igodle igama lakhe obuya eNambane. Ushabala uSabata bekanabafo wabo ubafo wakhe abo Harry nabo Sibani bakhona. Uma wami uzalwe nomalume wami okuthiwa uMahlomula ungcwatshwe eMabuluka. It's a fact. It's something that I can reference. So it's not like I believe.
Okay.
Ukuthi kwenzakale. It's not inkolo. It's a fact. Ikhona leyo nto. Lo muntu uzile waphila wazala abosibani. It's a fact. I can trace it.
Zukanye.
Kombe ithuna kaAbraham.
The t-shirt.
Ikombe ithuna la kwaAbraham.
Tishle.
So my point is, it's not like I believe ukuthi idlozi likhona or idalwa ikhona. I know.
So who believe?
Because mangabe ngifuna ukuyethuna ndakaSabata ngizoya mina nakusasa mangivuka ngavukela khona.
So we've got
Ngiyalazi.
believers.
We have abantu abathi bayakholelwa.
Okay.
Then there is a spirituality
Wow.
where there is the effects. Khona manje ngakutshela ukuthi thina abantu bakwantu sinesanusi ebesi universal. It's a fact. Angithi ngakukhomba mina ama video wakhe ekhuluma ukuthi kumanje nje amaZulu njengoba ehlasela umhlaba nje wayiprofesaya.
I saw it. Yeah.
Khuluma ngesanusi.
Yeah. I saw that video.
You understand? Umuntu owaprofesaya iCovid ingakafiki. It's not like I believe ukuthi Saba no Credo Mutho. I know ukuthi Saba kwathuna lakhe. Ngikakutshela nokuthi uCredo Mutho bekahlala emafikeni, Credo Mutho bekwahlala kuphi. It's a fact. That is spiritual. That is African spirituality. Ngikhuluma ngento engizokhona kuyikhomba.
Okay.
Manje ke masiza ku religion. It's something that comes with a manual, which is a book that will tell you stories about people that you will never know. Nama descendants wabo, you will never know them. So I seek isikhathi, even if wena uthi okay fine, I believe in this. Ithi ngeke ethuneni lakhona. Uya ethuneni lakabani umaze lapho uJacob. Uyolithola phi ithuna lakaJacob? Njengoba umncoma kangaka kuma pulpit, umushe njengoba bengayishayile insango yakhe, abona isihlahla sivutha singashi. Bese wena uhlala eku pulpit and then you want to ukuthi usiconvince ngayo yonke indlela. As a black person, ayikho into engiphatha kabuhlungu njengoba umuntu omnyama aconvince umuntu ngento engeke akhona ukuyireferensa ngaphandle kokuthi umuntu akhumbuze umuntu ukuthi yephathana niwakashabalala wena man. And ungwakashabalala zithini ithakazelo zakini? Mawuphahla wena ubiza ithongo lakini uthini? Why kumele ungitshele uthi mawukhuleka mele ukhuleke uthi babathe sezulwini igama lakho kanjani kwathini yabona bengikhuluma lapha ngizwile omunye ekhuluma lapha athi amanga anama version amaningi.
Yes.
Khona manje kwaleyo bible yakhona iyazicontradict
Usho.
ngivele ngithi gibela sihlahla wena Ezekiya yehla wena sibanibani ngoba manje sengibhedile ngagibe so wrong iapple mele lidle inyoka izonikeza akucabanga njengomuntu omdala ithini eyakho into yakini ithini njengoba ukhona kungibalela abantu abebelendela uJesu 12 disciples ungangibalela yini ukuthi wena from wena kuze ubaba bakho kuze umkhulu ungangibalela yini at least until 7 at least ungibalela ukuthi mina ngizalwa ubaba usibani uzalwa ubaba usibani ungangibalela but ngikutshela ukuthi mangakutshela ngomusho ungangitshela the way umusho wabona ihlala mangakutshela ngoMaria ungangitshela the way uMaria umaJesu mangakutshela ngogogo wakho ozala uma wakho bekahlalapi iphathanana awazi ayikho into ezokutshela ukuthi khona into wrong lapha ukuthi khona imanual eyafika la eAfrica and then we followed and ngicela ukutshela into eyodwa ngomuntu omnyama mawufuna ukuthi into ibe perfected kumuntu omnyama ngikutshela ngisho nama sports thina sisazi ukuthi sidlala ngamatshe sazi ukuthi bese kufika igolf then it was introduced to abantu abamnyama abobana abalidayo kugolf akusabantu abamnyama checka inkolo yeChristianity kwabanikazi bayo abalidi njengabantu abamnyama abantu abamnyama bayiphusha baze bayoyithwalela phathanana because of into engase yakho ufuna ukuthi usiconvince ukuthi i-right you do everything
That's true.
baze bayithwalele abantu bageza ngezipho ezisetshenziwe akubambe uwelele umuntu omnyama mawufuna ukuthi into yakho iphusheke kahle inikeze umuntu omnyama
Uzokwenzela into eyiyo.
you understand bheka ababhunu waba introduce ibhamu amabhunu the percentage yabantu abanezibhamu between amabhunu abantu abamhlophe nabantu abamnyama ababi ithina why because it is designed ukuthi sibulalane thina ngokwethu and abasinikeza isibhamu bamnikeza umuntu omnyama kunjani manje
Kupedukile. Asizwe lo baba ngathi unenkinga. Khuluma.
Phathanani. Hey, ngakhumbula my sisters. Masikhathe phathanani.
Khuluma wena.
Baby girl. I want us to I asked the question ukuthi what is the difference between African spirituality ubungoma and religion. But I want us ukuthi uma si approacher angifuna ukuthi we approach in a perspective of Christianity. Ngifuna approach religion yona ngokwayo imele yona ngokwayo iyona nje qobo lwayo. Because when you say religion, that means I can tap into Muslim, I can tap into Islam, I can tap into any. I don't want to go there. I want to go into a religion. Yona ngokwayo.
Why don't you go there now?
No. Listen. When I say, is ubungoma not a religion?
no it's not
Sharp. What if ubungoma, mashabalala, it's a type of a religion that doesn't choose you. Listen,
ngoba will never
Ngimamele.
will never nangelanga lomhlolo
Why ungangimameli?
sengithulile
What if ubungoma it's that type of a religion that doesn't choose you?
Oh, yeah.
Ayikhethi. But iyona ekhetha wena. But uma usuphakathi kwayo, where does your belief system goes to? It goes to ini amadlozi.
Where did you get that?
No, I'm telling you.
Asimamele.
I'm telling you.
Ngiseza.
Ngiyakutshela.
Asimamele.
Yeah. Where does your belief system goes to? Mawusungaphansi
Yazi ngizokwenza
kobuhlobo?
ukuthi aphuze iwayini engaphuzi ya.
You understand? It goes to ini amadlozi, right? Now, ireligion yona ngokwayo, we remove Christianity, we remove Islam, we remove whatever form of doctrine of religion that is there. We just put a religion of ngokwayo as it is. It's a sense of belief that is there and that is put in place. So that means ukuthi if anyone believes in a certain deity of some sort that is not physical, mashabalala ngimamele, mina nawe singabothisha.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Ungizwa kahle nje mhlophe. So if anyone believes in a certain deity of some sort that is not in existence in the physical realm, but the deity is in existence in a spiritual realm, be it is an earthly realm.
Ukhuluma isiZulu.
Okay, mhlambe this deity exists emanzini or kambe mhlambe emhlabeni and all of that. Whatever deity, whatever unomkhubulwana, whatever inkosazana, whatever inkosi yolwandle, whatever it is, whatever deity that is there, it's not physically, but it's there. Namadlozi qobo lwawo siyakholelwa kuona because of siyawazi ukuthi ayaphila and because of we are a descendant of them. And for the fact that we believe in them, doesn't that makes us singabantu abamnyama ukuthi abelungu bathema bafika basithola sinenkolo yethu, and inkolo yethu kwakuyinkolo ukuthi siyakholelwa emadlozini ethu because siyawazi ukuthi ayaphila, siyawazi swabonile, siyabaza bomkhulu bethu, siyabaza omama bethu, siyabaza obaba bethu, siyabaza okhokho bethu. Iyona nkolo yethu leyo.
So ngifuna
mamela, iyona nkolo yethu leyo. That is what we believe in. Singabantu abamnyama sinesintu sethu of which insebenzelo kasuthu ba re ke tsamaiso ka mkhodi tsamaisang ka teng ditho ditho tsa mmele ka ba dilo tsa mmele and all of that. You get me? Ingendlela senza ngakhona izinto. We have that.
Okay. Phendula dokotela.
So
ngithi nje point of correction.
okay.
Lokho ufuna ukusho.
Angikholelwa.
I think I need to run this ngoba ngiyabona nobabili here.
There's a difference. Angikholelwa. I know. Mina zange ngamphupha uDavid mara ngamphupha umkhulu wami.
Keep iBhayibheli.
Hold on.
Asiyeke angithi bowufake
Makaliphe.
religion phela ihamba nemanual awukwazi ukuba nereligion ungena manual.
Angilifakanga anyway. I said for Coco, I said
Okay, asilkeep.
yeah, likhiphe. Khipha ne-Islam, khipha anything, focus on the
Right.
religion on its own.
Right.
Lingekho iBhayibheli
Right.
as a belief system.
Ukukholelwa edlozini akukho.
How?
We know mfethu.
Thathi nethishu yakho
As
nayo
much
ifake
as
lapha.
bengithi mina ngingakhomba ithuna lakakikana, the third generation from my father.
'Cause we are alive.
Ngingakhomba. It's not like I believe, I know.
There's a different knowing
Ingane
and
zakhe
believing.
ugogo wami ngiyamazi nangamehlo. It's not like I believe, I know. And labantu noma ngilele ngiyabaphupha. Do you understand? It's not like it. Mangithi mina I'm in African spirituality, I'm not in religion. It's because of ngithatha information from abantu bakithi. There is no manual ezobe ibhalwe phansi. Umkhulu uzongitshela ukuthi wena nashabalala ungazoma phakathi komnyango, it's forbidden like I. Azange ibhalwe phansi, anginancwadi.
Ekubhalwe.
And akomfundisi ozoma phambi kwami angifundise leyo nto, ngizoyifundiswa ugogo wami. I know. It's not like I believe in it. But when you talk about a religion, you are talking about something that you don't know, but you believe. You understand? Mina, I'm in African spirituality. Ngikutshela ngento ukuthi mangithi mina ngushabalala. I know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Ngiyabazi oshabalala.
Okay. Shabalala donke lamavuzo. Ismati when I would say you are not an African spirituality healer, but you are a universal healer.
Yeah, I'm not a traditional healer, but I'm a universal healer. Yes. Yes, we can proceed.
Kuhlukana kanjani lezi zinto lezi?
Hayi traditional healer uthi usuka thwasile lo muntu loyo unanga
Hayi
traditional
sonke.
healer
Hayi sonke.
usuka thwasile
Sasanga sonke.
okay basuke most of the times ama traditional healer basuke bathwasile and they believe in traditionality, they believe in isintu, they believe in ubungoma and stuff like that. Into yabo isuke it's mostly traditional based and stuff like that. But for me isipho sami it's mostly universal. It deals with imimoya, it deals with universal spirits, marine spirits. It's very much fluid and very fluctual. Ayifani, basically it's not boxed. Into engayisho leyo. Ayifani yabangoma that is not boxed. That are boxed.
Imimoya. But usebenza ngemimoya.
Yeah.
How do you sebenza ngemimoya but it doesn't align with African spirituality?
No, my love. You see, when we speak about imimoya, imimoya ngokwayo, they grow into levels and levels of it. Where namhlamba ngenze ukuthi udila ngemimoya that are still in the foundation aku grade R. And mina angikho ku grade R. Mina ngidila ngemimoya ehamba ku grade 10, grade 11 and grade 12. Wena ulaga grade R, grade 1, grade 2. And since ulapho there's nothing that we can do about it. Ingendlela vele ubizelwe ngakhona. And if uka grade R that means usese kuphi? Khomba mamela, khomba ngibheke. Ukuphi? Ula phansi.
Cha phela ngeke sikhombe
Yeah,
noma ngabe
yeah,
yini
yeah.
nje oyikhulumayo noma uzobheda bese ngiyabheda.
You are
Athi,
here.
I
You are
Imibuzo yami
here.
miningi.
No,
Imibuzo yami miningi.
ula phansi.
And
Ula-
the first one.
So wena universal.
Yes,
lapha.
mina universal ngile phezulu. Mina ngiyolanda ilo kunjana i-matric certificate ne-higher certificate ngile phezulu.
Angenzela umzekelo ngicela ukunikeza i-scenario. Then ungenzela umzekelo so that I can understand your gift. Offend me.
No,
Okay.
no.
Yeah.
This is
Ngenzela
our
ulwazi.
behind the scene. We are talking.
Yimi lona, angithwasile.
He's been saying things. You've been saying.
Yeah.
I've been saying things. Last
Yimi lona angithwasile.
umuntu nomuntu uzoziphendulela indaba yakhe.
Uthwasile, asam, uthwasile.
Okay, fine. Mina nginomdiki. Nginomdawa. Abakhushuliwe. Nginenzunza ekhushuliwe. Nginamakhosi akhushuliwe. Ngikhuluma ngami. Nginesithunywa esikhushuliwe. Nginabalozi abahlala nami endumbeni. Do you understand? Labantu engibabalayo imimoya.
Mana laba bakha.
Man.
No. That's why I said let me drive because mangithule.
Nginabalozi engihlala nabo endumbeni. Mina nginamajaji. Nga? Akhutshuliwe. Right. Nangu umfowethu. Ne? Umfowethu udila ngemimoya
Phezulu high. Usho njalo right?
so
High certificate.
ngifuna ukunderstand ukuthi imimoya yami yaka grade R njengoba ngikhona ukusebenza abantu ngayo sekhushuliwe that I can even produce inyanga ngayo umjawu wami engikhona ukufemba izilwane ngayo inzunza yami engikhona ukuthi ngiyogubha izinto ezifihliwe ngayo kuhlukana kanjani as an African ukuthi kube nomuntu osebenza ngemimoya e-universal angiyazi mina angiyazi nje
Uzosichazela.
ngiyayisholo nje angiyazi inkosi yami ngiyazi le engiyibalayo enginayo mina so ke mina ngifika kanjani ku level ka
Smart Marcos.
Okay.
mana kancane kuqala insebenzo yami nale mimoya engiyibalile this year ngo25 zaka May ngizobe ngenza 29 years ngisebenza ngayo ne mana ku 29 years sho ukuthi angakagibeli
Lamalada lawo.
ukufika ku
Level ya smart.
ngicela nje i-typical example example engizo-understanda
akuthathe nje ke slow
angithathe nje uyabona nje and angiquotele ukuthi wena mangithi ula ngikhuluma ngedlozi ethile noma ngikhuluma ngemimoya ethile khona imimoya yakithi engayisebenzela njengoba benginikezwa impanda kaShabalala banginike amaphondo bayongilalisa entabeni for amalanga athile banginikeza impande ngoba bekuthibuleka imimoya ethile ukuthi abantu bakaShabalala kithi babe right bekungasisithwalo by the way benikezwa impande
yakaShabalala
fine ngibuyiyeka mara still this into engiyikhuluma is not universal because mangikhuluma nge-universe wathi umuntu angitshela nge-universe nela pathanani umuntu makangitshela nge-universe ngicabanga ubaba Credo ngicabanga ubaba Khadebe
mara ngicabanga salad lapha ungiphe
ngoba ngikhuluma ngani abantu engazi ukuthi they can communicate nama universal spirits abantu esibabiza ngamasanusi ukuya ngami why am I saying that because uCredo Mutha can tell you his experience
yes
his experience nama aliens he can tell you his experience nama reptilians ngikhuluma nge-universe ke manje imimoya
universal
yes umuntu ofana noCredo angeke ngiziqhathanise naye ngoba mina angizange ngibe ne-encounter yokuthathwa ama-aliens yena he did that is why he can communicate with the universal spirits
maybe he's
So-
on that line
ngifuna ke ukuthi akathathe mina njengoba ngihleli phambi kwakhe ukuthi ugrade R1 ufika kanjani ku-matric
my friend are you on that line yabo Credo
kuleka ngizokhophuka naye
asambe mntana asambe
so ula kumndiki nomndawo nomnguni nayo yonke le mimoya usuyibalile right usuyithwasile
ungayifaki isala yogathi ungilethe
wayiphakamisa ngale ndlela uyiphakamise ngakhona by the way I don't believe ukuthi unenzonza
okay
yeah
you don't believe are you telling her
ngiyamtshela
ukuthi
ukuthi lamathwasa ambe ngiwathwasisa manga nalaba bathwasisa inzumba yamanga kodwa
okay
okay kubeka
mina I have my own perspective ukuthi unani
okay
tell us
ulwa ke manje
tell us
so usiphakamisele meme person uyiphakamisile
hayi bomkhulu solo kwangishiya ngekitchen makunginani
mamela ya yehla le ngiyeza kuyona
ayisengiba curious phela awukwazi ukungishiya ngesigadi
from edlozini
awufuna naye watermelon
asifake endaweni yodwa
hayi bo soyibeka lana ngeke uyifakela
okay from edlozini usiphakamisele imimoya leyo we descend to the water and now these spirits they become from idlozi to amathongo mamela
ungangikhohlisi mana uthe uyanginabisela uthe mkhulu uyanginabisela
all right
ungayikhuluma into engekho ngicela ungikhulumele into eqondile
sharp
ngoba leyo ikhuluma ayikho
debate ngale debate mina
Ngicela
ngizokutshela
uqale
reason
phansi.
yami ngizodebate reason yami
angifuna ama-reasons ngifuna into eqondile sikhuluma ngemimoya mina nawe sisebenza ngemimoya
sharp
mina nawe we have knowledge
Right.
ngemimoya
Right.
ngicela ungiqondise ungangikhulumela into engekho asiqale phansi
ngiyayiphinda into engishoyo futhi again whether you are debater or debate akunamsebenzi nawe these spirits they descend to the water and then they become
which ones
the ones that you call amadlozi namandiki namandobo namakhosi
hayi ngikhuluma
sharp it's fine I don't have a problem
igedla asikhulume ngegedla umoya webugedla
Siyabhededeni because silana.
umoya
No, silana makhosi.
ungena kanje uthe mina they
Shabalala.
descend to the water
Sila asikhumuli wena uthe umndiki
Okay, fine.
nomndawo namakhosi asambe.
ngikhotshela abangena emanzini
Asambe. No, bonke bangena emanzini.
ayi yabona ke
Bonke bangena.
ungayenzi lento yenzayo
And bonke bangena ngendlela ezihlukene.
Hey.
And bonke mase bangena emanzini bashika ama-inform wabo bafani.
mntana edlozi yeka mntasi yeka
Uyabona mina nawe sifani. Uyabona ngi-higher than you.
cha
Alright.
uyabona lapho noma
Yeah,
noma
khuleka khuleka ke yako yo ngi-safe ngi-right
ayeka
ngiyazazi indaba
ngiyacela ungayitshela abantu lento uyikhona
bona kwawena lo uyitshela abantu ungalingi uyitshela abantu ungalingenanga nomhlolo uzubachazele
cabanga nje
because
igedla emanzini igedla elihamba ngepeki ligibela intaba seliyadisenda
bathola ngani gogo bathola ngani
bathwele
yena
hew yabona bakuthiwa umuntu uyaphatha bakuthiwa umuntu uyaphatha nkosi yami yeka
memeza
hey
memeza girl memeza
hew
memeza awungithusi kanjani girl memeza
cha angikugwajisi
lutho
kodwa nje ngiyacela mfethu akuyicabange kahle
lutho angicabangi nokusokudala ngiphila le life ngiyazi kahle nje
vele wena uyayiphila
wena kumele ufunde kumina
cha angeke
angifuni
mina ukujikela idlozi angifuni ukujikela idlozi
kwanami nje ngingafunda kuwena wena onje nje uma ngafunda kuwena
ungafundi kimi mina yo lingangijikela impela ke sengenza lokho
Ukwenziwa ngapha.
lokho kwenza kwabo
yazi inkinga yami ukuthi uthini
isikhathi singavalwa
yazi inkinga yami ukuthi uthini ukuthi noma ngayehla ngiye ku level yakho lingaxabana nami
hey
ilevel yakho ilonge ngendlela emangazayo
Kahle kahle uthini smart.
no people they do not understand that spirits they grow from what
Oh my man.
people don't understand that spirits they grow from what they know. Just because of you know it at this element, it doesn't mean that it doesn't have an ability to grow from what you know from it. So just because of yena wazi ubugedla bu associate ne-meat and all of I'm just making an example. Wazi ubugedla bu associated ne-meat and stuff like that. That doesn't limit ubugedla to that only.
ubugedla ubani masikhuluma ngobugedla sikhuluma ngani sikhuluma ngedlozi lamanzi sikhuluma ngedlozi lentaba sikhuluma ngedlozi lasemgedeni akufani lezi zinto futhi azihambelani angeke futhi zize angeke umfukwa or amahosana asuke emgedeni ayongena elwandle angeke
And immediately uthatha lisemanzini liyashintsha liphenduka enye into.
yingakho ujikisa izinto nje kuthiwa ukuthi
That's why sikuthi
uyapreacher
That's why sikuthi ngopreacher.
uzolimaza abantu
Why sipreacher because of sibona ukuthi khona inkinga ekhona then that's why sina siphiwa ama gift okwenzani wokupreacher ke.
akusi gift nana leyo uyikhandela
Angisho nakwazi ukupreacher.
yokupreacher angifuni nokwazi ukupreacher leyo akusi gift na uyikhandela emkhulu leyo ukuthi wena uzoguqula izinto ezingahambelani uzenze ukuthi ihambelane
Isipho kwaleso.
Hayi.
Iyability.
Cha,
Ile uyibizani?
uyihlele phansi
Uyibizani?
wayiplana
Smart Makhosi.
uyayenza ke manje
Manje le preaching yakho because I'm worried kunabantu who look up to you.
cabanga ene kunabantwana
Yeah, usumoya manje uyaphendula.
abanedlozi abazomlalela
That's,
and then they will
I
take
don't know.
it as he says
Remember, Mina, I don't know. I'm just asking
Yay.
because Mina, the word bridge, it's a taboo. It says something to me, so I don't know.
What does it say to you?
About electricity.
Yeah.
Ekhaya uma ukuthi wena niyaganga andifuna ukuthenga electricity ngifaka something ukuthi electricity libe ukhona
Ungabhadali.
but the day nibanjwa uEscom uthatha yonke into and then nihambe nobhadari fine, so that's what I'm
Oh,
that's the way
That's your preaching. No, my love.
uthe uyaliguqula uthe cabanga nje
Phathanani.
mina idalwa zakithi entabeni seyihlala emanzini ugqilile manje sekayihlalisa emanzini
You did
Phathanani,
say.
Phathanani.
yo
I've come across a lot of people that have spirits that they don't want them, but uthola ukuthi umuntu uhlushwa yileyo mimoya leyo.
Iyalahlwa.
Ngendlela emhlusha ngakhona. And uma uthi uyabheka ukuthi no man, these spirits they can actually benefit this person ngalendlela kumele ngabe zimbenefita ngakhona. Kuphuma kulowo muntu loyo ukuthi uyadecide ukuthi uya kumakhosi ushabalala ayomlahlisa leyo mimoya leyo or uza kumakhosi afika athi okay
Separate
so you
one.
have this kind of spirit okay sharp asiguqule let us turn it sithathe sisebenzise
ihlala
ngale
isikhathi
ndlela.
esingakanani forever
permanent ngaleyo ndlela leyo
Yeka
osuke
lento
uyibeka
ekhulumayo, makhosi.
permanent
ngiyacela yeka lento
bona I've walked this
sikhuluma
journey.
nabantwana babantu abamnyama
Trust me,
singabalahlekisi.
mntasekhaya, I've been in this journey for the longest time.
Fine
and
mangabe
I've been doing
kuyidapulapu
that.
enzekayo isebenza ngaleso sikhathi but asingayenzi kube ukuthi into eyenziwayo ngoba irongo
Of
nje
course,
ngendlela
yes.
eyiningi irongo singayibafundisi abantu asithi mhlambe umkhulu umuntu uzofika kuye asekhoneni nje kupintshekile yabona then in their discreet ikhona
Alright.
ayenze but ingabi into ezokhulunywa
Alright.
manje kuba ukuthi umntwana phela kukhona abantwana abathwasa abakhulayo abazoyithatha lento ukuthi cha mina ngizoyenza lento ngiyibridge
No, kukhona abantu abafika kumina but engibabona ukuthi no man wena kahle kubalekile ukuthi uhambe uyothwasa. And I will tell you, I'm a healer at the end of the day. I will tell you ukuthi no, angizobridge nix yakho, angizoguqula mnguni wakho, angizoguqula nix yakho. Hamba, go and perform ubungoma bakhe and stuff like the way you're supposed to perform it and all of that. But if I see ukuthi noma lo bungoma lo bayakudluzumela and it's actually not going to benefit you in any how, there's a simple way to do it. Why must you go the hard way if there's a simple way to
can
do
I
it?
ask you a question
Yeah.
Can I have that teach me while they are asking me?
I think i-answer yakhe izonginikeza isamari
Okay.
yalento engicabangayo ngaye mkhulu ngicela ukubuza ukuthi idlozi yini what is idlozi ukuya ngawo
Why ungithatha ungisaka grade R ngiko grade 12?
Siyayidinga
ngiyayidinga from you because it will give me a summary of who I'm sitting with.
For me, I describe Idlozi as a spirit that is a spirit of a being that has lived in a physical realm. Ungimamele, ngikhuluma isilungu. A spirit.
Angisazi.
Kahle sisakwazi.
Angisithandi futhi isilungu yabona uma uzokhuluma into zesintu bese ngifakela isilungu vele ngicikeke khuluma ke kodwa
Okay,
I'll
it's
take
fine.
that.
I'm referring to a spirit of a being
And
that
vele
is,
kumosheke konke.
Hayi ayizwakali ayibi neweight isho kodwa mkhulu
lona umoya umphefumulo womuntu osuphile ngaphezulu komhlaba wanyathela umhlaba kodwa kwase kuyenzeka ukuthi uyahamba uyasuka
yeke mkhulu asibambela ngiyabona yeke sengiyazi ke awuyazi into okhuluma ngayo
okay
asivale
noma
I will
sengayivali
never-
ngine question
Mana, I will never,
Wait.
Mana, mkhulu, I will never ever in my life question him about spirits. Because if he cannot explain a simple thing, idlozi, but uzbega lay.
No, I mean I have my own
Mana,
version
mana,
Idlozi.
mana.
No, you
Hold
cannot
on.
judge
Idlozi
me.
ayina version mkhulu.
Maningi, maningi.
No.
Yay.
Size makhosi, size
Okay,
makhosi.
it's fine.
So
Thank
ngitsho
you.
ukuthi I will never ever noma phathana singahlala kuphanele ungangibeki naye sikhuluma ngama spirits
And siyaya ke girl.
so banenkinga because if he cannot tell me ngedlozi njengoba bengisho ukuthi i-answer yakhe izonginikeza isamari
Summary,
yokuthi ngihleli nomuntu onjani ngirespecta isiphiwo sakho ongizwe lalela mina
Don't
lalela
rush
mina
to
kuqala.
answer. Listen.
I respect isiphiwo sakho. I respect how you put yourself, how you positioned yourself edlozini or wherever universal or whatever, I respect that. But ngiyacela hlukana nento zesintu awuzazi. Hlukana nento zesintu awuzazi, and then into engifuna ukuthi ngisho partner, we are all about teaching. And kuba buhlungu mangabe angithandi mina ukuthi ngihlale nomlaphi bese siya. Angithandi, especially in public, because ayibukeki kahle. But me sitting with him, see too. Yeah, understand? Yeke na. Yeke nkulu, ngiyakuhlonipha. Kukhona isintu awukwazi kuba umlaphi ungayazi indabuko yomuntu omnyama. Bese uzibiza ngomlaphi. Ungilapha kanjani kungukuthi uzodidwa amasiko wami. Number 2, if uzongilapha spiritually, you must understand the spirits in a spiritual realm. Number 3, if you cannot say it straight, masikhuluma ngedlozi. Simple question, idlozi. Masikhuluma ngedlozi. Bese unganginikezi into engizwayo. But at the end of the day, we are going to teach isizwe simnyama ukuthi kukhona idlozi, bese umntwana athi idlozi yini? Bese umkhulu athi there is a physical being eyafika. Sikhuluma ngedlozi, asikhulumi ngento eyaba nomzimba. Sikhuluma ngedlozi, we are talking about a spirit. Ekungukuthi ispirit sakhona siyongamele idalwa. You understand? Lalela, yongamele idalwa. Umuntu engitshela ngaye ngithi mina ngakhomba ithuna lakhe. Ngikhuluma ngomkhulu Shabalala, ngikhuluma ngedlozi. Ngikhuluma ngokuthi umkhulu Shabalala uba wakhulele kuphi. Ngikhuluma ngezalo, ngikhuluma ngedlozi. But labantu 20 years to 30 years back or 200 years back, bephahla ledlozi leli. Do you understand my point? And there is no one that is owning idlozi.
Okay.
Kusasa ngingafa, ngithi ngisebenzela idlozi ngiyinyanga. Kusasa mangifa isikhwama satha umunye umuntu. Idlozi lihamba ngidlozi mina. Cha. Idlozi lihamba nami. Cha.
Okay. I just want to ask a question, last month. Yini idlozi umehlo phakathi kwedlozi nethongo?
Ungabusawubuza mina lo mbuzo phathanani.
Asuye again.
No, I'm going. I've got 2 questions that I want to ask.
Yo, yes.
Because I want to understand that one, and the second one, ngeke ngezwe kuthiwa kunomsamo wamadlozi nomsamo wamathongo.
Yes.
But ngifuna uqala lapho ukuthi yini umehluko phakathi kwethonga nedlozi. Your understanding.
Mina actually had a question to Marcos Ushabalala.
What was the question?
Yini idlozi according to his version. Her version, in fact.
Ngicela ukusho manje.
Okay. So your version is a certain spirit of some sort that has been worshipped by our not foreign, but our ancestors. Okay, you'll make me understand it. Ngendlela mhlambe ngikuzwe ngakhona, or not even mhlambe understand ngakhona. It's a spirit that has been worshipped by our ancestors long before.
Asibeke acknowledged. Singathi worshipped. Asibeke ngokuthi acknowledged.
Okay, that has been acknowledged by our ancestors long before we existed.
Yes.
Tina kuyithina.
Yes.
Ngowethu, right?
Yes.
So where does this spirit actually originate? Does it originate from the earth element? Does it originate from the water
element? But into engiyaziyo
okay, asibele ngesizulu. Leli dlozi leli ngabe liphila phezulu komhlaba kambe leli dlozi leli liphila emanzini. Okay. Makhosi Ushabalala liphila leli dlozi leli.
Mina ikho idlozi la kwaShabalala bathi is omni what?
Omnipresent.
Ngiyakhona ukuliphahla manje la.
Likhona yonke indawo kahle.
Liserabukala.
Okay.
Uphathanani aliphahle kuphi limuzwe.
Mhm.
Aliphahle kuphi limuzwe at the same time.
Okay.
Ngiyakhona ukuthi mina idalwa ezithile engiyozithwasela mina because zizi appointwe yileli dlozi. Kuba ukuthi khona omunye umntwana eNatali wakwaShabalala othwasa idalwa idalwa evuswe yileli dlozi for that person.
Okay.
But kungasiyidalwa ezizodwa.
Alright.
Thola ukuthi kaShabalala siyinyanga si10 different site ngedlozi elilodwa la kaShabalala but different idalwa.
Okay.
As much as uzobona ukuthi manje mangathi ngingene ku Facebook ngithi izinyanga zakwaShabalala uzobabona ukuthi bangakanani nalaba mina engabazi abanye baseSwatini abanye base kuphi but idlozi la kabani lakwaShabalala but idalwa ziyahluka ama gifts from lelo dlozi ayahluka. Omunye usebenza njengegedla, omunye uyafemba njengemdzaba, omunye uhlola ngesifuba, omunye but igift yonke sithatha kuphi edlozini la kwaShabalala but sisebenza ngezidalwa ezingafani.
Okay. Phathanani. Mamela ne. Uwe uphathanani ne. Khona usibusiso, khona usizwe, khona uthemba, khona usabelo. No 5 mhlambe. And then it happens ukuthi la efamily nakini ophathanani kuba uyena ongenwa yidlozi. No, let me not say ongenwa yidlozi. Ongenwa ilo moya. Aswazi lo moya ukuthi igama lawo. Because lo moya awukazi waze wasitshela thina ukuthi yini igama lawo. But sibona ngezenzo zalo moya bese thina kuba yithina abantu esupha igama lawo ukuthi lo moya uyini. Phathanani bakangena lo moya sesiyambona uphathanani usiyahamba uyothwasa kwasha kwacima uphathanani usefaka amabhayi usefaka idumane ekhanda and kwasha kwacima. And then it goes generation. Phathanani uzala ingane kuba nengane and all of that. Ingane zakho phathanani mase ziphila between wena nalo moya owangena njoba nosushonile ubani idlozi between the two of you.
Angazi.
Ngicela kuphi? Awazi phela mina ngaza.
Mina
wazi.
ubuza mina.
Ayise ngakini. Hayi konde mina.
Awu dasibati yasukelana.
No, bengikulindele ukuthi udirector ilokunjani question kuyena.
Ayikonde yena.
Okay, sha.
Hawa. Ayikonde mina
sikasukelana. Bakhuluma bonke mina ngena sengena mara leta ayikhuluma anyazi
So
mina.
izukulwana zakaphathanani sezizelwe. Sezikhona ke seziyaphila. And uphathanani uyena sangoma sokuqala esathwasa la kambatha. Wangenwa yilo moya esingawazi. And lo moya ukaze wazisho ukuthi wona uyinhlobo yomoya. Sabona nje ngezenzo uphathanani sekenza ukuthi kudingeka u1 or 2. And nakhona izenzo zakhona sizibona ngani? Sizibona ngokuthi esizweni lesi sakwaZulu kukhona umuntu uthizeni omakhosi onalo moya ofana nokaphathanani. So uphathanani meqale phatha lo moya athi no man wena uphethwe lento esone so ifana neyami. Uwoza ngizokuthwasisa ngizokwenza izinto esone so uyawazi lo moya lo amlungisela ngalendlela amlungisela ngakhona aze aphile uphathanani abe yilo mngoma okumele abe uyena. Now uphathanani usendlulile ke emhlabeni. Now the two Phathanani and the spirit are now in the spiritual realm.
Yes.
Ubani idlozi?
Ilo yamoya.
Which one?
Ongena uphathanani ozokhona ukuthi udlule ungena omunye umuntu ozokhona nakusasa ukuthi udlule ungena abantu abayi2 or ingena abantu abayi3 kuphi ozokhona ukuthi uphathanani mase kashonile ungene isizukulu sakhe.
Okay. Shabalala iloya moya ne that can divert itself in many ways, right? Uphathana noyini?
Uyistalwa.
All right. Masifika ephehlweni.
Maphendula kamnandi. That's why uyabona why
Hayi
you sure.
ngizanayo.
Sharp. Masifika ephehlweni kuyothwaswa, right? Uyagatshekwa lo muntu lo. Kuyashawini. Liyaphuma igama. Kuphuma igama kabantu? Kuphuma igama lo moya
Lesidalwa.
noma kuphuma igama lesidalwa?
Lesidalwa.
Okay, kuphuma igama lesidalwa.
Yes.
All right. Liyini lesidalwa lesi?
Liyistalwa.
Lesidalwa.
Yes.
All right. Lo muntu uthwasane? Uthwasa lo moya noma uthwasa lesi sidalwa?
Cha.
Uthwasana?
Cha.
No,
Cha.
ungabi yehlisa umoya. Yehlisa umoya.
Ungayiconfuse.
Angiconfuse ngifuna ukunderstanda.
Angithi vele nawe bese uyathetha.
Ungayiconfuse.
Okay.
Akithi answerisa wena ya.
Angayiconfuse. Mangabe ngiwugokuchabala ngithi.
And niphuza niwayini nobabili nimnandakazi ngoba niyathandana.
Right kabi.
Simnandi kabi.
How?
Right kabi.
Siyaxoxa le ndaba.
Ngicela ukumnabisela.
Okay.
2 minutes.
Nabusele.
And ngithatha ukwenza example ngami.
Yenza.
Right. Mina kwashabalala nginyama. Nginama spirits weyidalo sakwashabalala. Idlozi la kwashabalala. Lanketha ukuthi angiyophakamisa isikhwama ebe sisetshenziswa umkhulukikana. Ongezwe. Umkhulukikana usebenzile lesikhwama washona. Yajampa abantwana bakhe yangena mina esizukulu. Manje mina ngiyothwasa. Ngiyothwaselani? Ngiyothwasela ukuyophakamisa isikhwama sakamkhulukikana. Mangifika ephehlweni, as much as ngine paternal and maternal sides, kwabo mama mhlambe ngibuye nesithunywa ngoba ngizalwe vele kuthiwa mina ngiyophakamisa isikhwama. Idlozi la kwashabalala lovusa umkhulukikana umnikazi wesikhwama. Akithi mhlambe umkhulukikana uzongena kimi njengemnguni. It's a spirit as its own. Isidalwa akusiyidlozi. Right. Makangena kimi njengomnguni uyongigayida mhlambe nokumphupha ngizomphupha engigayida, right? Bese ugogo khabo mama evele naye. Mntanami uzofaka umNazaretha omhlophe ufake iziphike ezinje. Yena nomkhulukikana abayenzi into eyodwa futhi nezibongo zabo azifani. But basesikhwameni esisodwa esekuyisikhwama sami akusasesikhwama sakamkhulukikana. Umkhulukikana isikhwama sakhe besenzelwa ama spirits wakhe. Mhlambe bekayigedla phinda benomtsawu or aphinda nabenu. Mhlambe mina isikhwama sami njengoba ngisiphakamisa idlozi selingivusele idalwa ezithile senginomdiki nomtsawu nani. Bese ngene ephehlweni ngiyagajekwa. Sengilapho ke manje. Ngene ephehlweni ngiyagajekwa, mangene ephehlweni ngigajekwa, kuyodabuka bani? Kuyodabuka idlozi. Idlozi manje ngadabuka kimi lizothi ubani? Ubani ongamelana nedlozi? Kuyodabuka umkhukulu umkikana, umnikazi wesikhwama.
Ayidlozi.
Afika ngitshela ukuthi mina kulamathongo la ngikhona khona sengibizwa ngodabula amanzi.
Uyezwa sisi?
Adabuke kimi. Yilento abazongibiza yona from now on. Ukuthi wena umkhulu dabula amanzi. Why? Because noma ngaba umfazi. Udabula amanzi wena umkhulu dabula amanzi ngoba uthathe isikhwama saka mkhulukikana. Okungukuthi elasemathongweni manje ubizwa ngobani? Ngodabula amanzi. Mangajekwa kuyokhuphuka yena kukhuphuki umnikazi oku umbrella board. Ukukhuphuka umnikazi wesikhwama engisivusayo. Then ke makaqeda ukukhuphuka kusane izinsebenzo ezizovela ngeguidance kalo kikana ukuthi kulesikhwama kukhuphuke nangogo uyosebenza ngamanono kulomntwana. Nangogo umkhulu aka umntwana uzosebenza ngomdzawo kanomntwana uzomfembisa. Ngoba idlozi masithi idlozi generalizing sithi idlozi asikwazi ukuthi idlozi kuwumnguni or umdaworo or umanono or idlozi yi or idlozi amanzunza or kanjani idlozi kuyidlozi nje bese kuba nezidalwa which means ama spirits ahlukahlukene
So idlozi
azongena
selizimele lodwa.
lilodwa nje
Then leyidalwa ke kunemfakela ukuthi ini.
yes umkhulu angavela kuba kutshela ukuthi mina ngifuna ibhayeli nje kungukuthi ukudirectela ukuthi lento ihambelana nemigomo nembandela yalela dlozi oluthwaselayo wena like appoint idlozi ligcina ngokwenzani ngoku-appoint and once liku-appointa once you are done ngemsebenzi wena linga-appoint umntwana wakho or umzukulu wakho ukuthi after you akuze lo wena noma ungafa awufi njengedlozi idlozi lidlulela phambili ingakho kuthiwa idlozi angeke lize life lophila forever
So-
ngoba lingena lo liphinde liphume lo ngena lo ingakho kuthiwa mawungayenzi kahle liyathutha
So nami ngi-appoint ukuthi ngenze manje thoughts ngize ngiyenze lama.
you are appointed wena you are appointed
Hey ngiyenzele yonke into.
nokuthi wenze sure
yey.
ukuthi utshwala bukhona
Yeah, bak-appointile shame. Esmart Makhosi, what is
Utshwala
that?
basemsamo.
Impela behind the scene is not long. Anything you want to say?
Shabalala. That is a low version of it. That is a low version of idlozi, how you'll present it. Actually, the spirit and idlozi, it's not the same. Akfani.
The spirits in Ilos is not the same.
Yes, what he called.
What is spirits in Nguni?
Listen,
Mana
Pathanani.
assimilate.
Okay.
What she calls is dalwa. It's a physical soul that has lived in the earthly realm,
yeah
had experiences in the earthly realm, and then it departed to the spiritual realm. But then as it departed, it was a custodian of the spirit sobungoma. You can never box the spirit sobungoma in itself.
asiyeke ubungoma
No.
sikhulume ngeyidalwa asiyeke ubungoma ashiye phansi ubungoma
Phela masikhuluma.
asithi sikhuluma ngogogo wami
Okay, sharp. Phela
ongathwasanga
kanjani manje?
angithi sikhuluma ngespirit
No, ngithi mina ngenza example ngophathanani
okay
ongenwe ubungoma.
oh okay
Sharp. So lana sikhuluma ngomuntu. Sikhuluma ngami nawe basically esiphilayo ngaphezulu komhlaba. But sesendela ngale kwelika moya. I don't say kwelika mathongo because we haven't arrived to that level. Sesendela ngale kwelika moya. But besinale mimoya, besingenwe ilomo moya. Wena usushonile and ubunalo moya obungenile shabalala. And lo moya nje obungenile kanje. When you come back to your child, are you coming back with this spirit or you are coming back as yourself? Lengane ithwasani. For me, my definition of idlozi, your definition of idlozi is two different things. And the difference between the two of us is that your definition of idlozi is isdalwa. But my definition of idlozi is this spirit that you call isdalwa. That's my definition of idlozi. Above this definition of idlozi, I call it umoya wobungoma. That is off limit. That is fluid in itself. That can possess anyone that lives. So if you're gonna box it for me, then I'm gonna have a problem now.
okay
Mamela, ngisachubeka.
ngiyakuzwa
If you're gonna box it, uzoyifaka kwi-box eyi-1, then Kehla, I'm gonna have a problem now because of you can never box spirituality. But if you're gonna allow spirituality to be fluid in itself, ukuthi there's some certain elements of it that we can figure out. If you're gonna say uphathanani esendlulile ngale kwelamathongo esebuya esedlozomela ulokhunjana esethwasa lo mntana lona mhlawumbe ulokhunjana uthandeka usiyathwasa ungene uphathanani usiyathwasa ulokhunjana uthandeka usefuna icoat yakhe ubuchef and all of that sesiyambona ulokhunjana uthandeka phakathi kwenkundla athi uthandeka ngicela iquote yami sesiyazi ukuthi kuvuke bani kuvuke uphathanani uyini uphathanani yidlozi kulokho njani. Okay, wena you may call it that as isidalwa just because of you twasat it, but for me I wouldn't refer it as that. But at the end of the day we have a similar version of it. It's just that we might not see it in the same way or define it in the same terminology, but it's the same version of it. And outside of it, there is the side of it, of which is the spirit that is so much fluid.
Ngicela ukubuza la.
Okay.
Masiphahla.
And I need to go by now. Oh, shit.
Masiphahla.
Yeah, no, yes.
Nangiphathana nakathwasanga. Mina ngithwasile mhlambe wena uthwasile or awuthwasanga. Angiphathana nakathwasanga.
Okay. Asonka swasanga.
Ngithwasile mina.
All right.
Kakhulu futhi.
Na uthwasile.
Uthwasephi?
Baleke uthwasile.
Oh.
Angibe ngithenze example.
Okay. Hayi cha, angazi. Asithi saphahla. Sibakasha. Asithi sibakasha bala.
Okay.
Saphahla. Uphathana.
It's not me uye, I mean.
Hayi sengithi wena awuthwasanga.
Oh.
Nama
Mina nginyama.
Okay.
Ngithwasile mina. Umkhulu nangu akathwasanga, but he has information.
Why?
Khona into angiyazi ke phathana ngangifaki izinto emlomeni. Ngithi mina une some kind of knowledge ngendlela yakhe.
So shabile bathi. Ayijazi ngifazana ukakufaka emlonyeni.
Asenze kanje. Siyophahla ke nasi isigodlo sakwashabalala. Akusesami. Ne? Esami ngishiye ekhaya kwami. Nasi isigodlo sakwashabalala. Kuthiwa kuyophahlwa idlozi la kwaShabalala. Singaba kwaShabalala thi.
2 3.
Yes.
Okay.
Kuyophahlwa idlozi. Mina ngiyinyanga ngithwasile, wena uthwasanga, but uyazazi ukuthi wakwaShabalala. Biologically. Une information ngemimoya yake what.
Universal.
Yes. Nasi isigodlo sakwashabalala. So phahla idlozi la kwaShabalala. Masifika kushiswe impepho lapha. Mangabe njengoba esho ukuthi idalwa bayidlozi. Mangabe sifika lapha sithi siyophahla idlozi la kwaShabalala, sobiza ilist engakanani. Masifika lapha, do we have to quote names? Sibiza amadlozi wakwaShabalala or siyophahla idlozi la kwaShabalala?
I have an answer.
Mana qala. Ngoba mina safundiswa kwaShabalala ukuthi masikhuluma nedlozi sibothi umshengu uShabalala namavuso umshengu sibahla siba sewuthuli lento beyishiwo umkhulu Sabata esaphila.
Kuyamthanda umkhulu Sabata.
Lento beyishiwa umkhulu wampela. Lonto beyishiwa umkhulu Kiki asaphila. Bekathi makangena emsamo athi mshengu Shabalala dongana kamavuso umshengu simahla.
Is that thing still connected?
Iyo lento engizothi mina mangiphahla ngisho nami.
Amen.
Abantwana bami bazoyisho nabo.
Awuthi kancane ngathi bakulandele.
Ngakulandele mzala. Ipoko zakhe azikwenza ngasmart.
Wehe.
Bese yeah
Ngithi mina mangifika emsamo. Masifika kaShabalala ngithi kuyabantu abadala kuqala. Mebefika bathi dongela kamavuso ushengu sibadla sibasethuli. Bathokelela idlozi la kaShabalala. They don't quote abosibanda banda. The list is too long to do that. Bakhuluma nedlozi la kaShabalala. Nina bakaShabalala umshengu ndikho lamavuso umshengu simahla sibasethuli. Balisho bese bathi naba abantwana bathi kanje. Do you understand? But mangizofika emsamo ngithi mkhulu Sabata Shabalala, mkhulu Kikana Shabalala. Ngikhuluma nabantu abanjani? Nakhona mangabe ngizothi ngikhuluma nedlozi ngibakhotha kanjalo. Laba engabazi noma laba engabakhothana bazofila kanjani. But mangikhuluma nedlozi ngithi mina nina omshengu. Yangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Shabalala odongela ngamavuso ngikhuluma isithakazelo esakhulunywa umkhulu khokho 1920
Generation to
ebiza lo moya washona ke thina ama descendants we are still seeing the same sithakazelo ngoba idlozi angeke lize lishintshe but uSabata masingamlandelela ngathi uSabata uyidlozi la kaShabalala akasiyisidalo uyidlozi uSabata uzalwa uShabalala nobani akasuShabalala ayi1 ugogo mhlambe or umkhulu uzalwa ngoShabalala noboye so uyidlozi la kuphi mangabe uyidlozi umkhulu wakhe ubuya kaShabalala noHadebe uzalwa intombazane yakaHadebe ubani kahle kahle idlozi mangabe sizothi idalwa bayidlozi ubani idlozi la kaShabalala ngoba labantu bayi mixed breeds when it comes to their birth uza ngibuya kamakhubela ngibuya kaShabalala it's combination mangabe ngizoba yidlozi ngiyoba yidlozi la kuphi you get my point so thina siyidalwa likhona idlozi elithakazelelwa ngesithakazelo esisodwa esingeke size sishintshe noma 100 years to come nezizukulwana zizobe zithi mshengu udongolo kamavuso bangabizi mina kodwa babiza labantu ebengibaphahla kwami mina ngisaphila masikhuluma ngedlozi
uyabona
You're closing. Yes, I sesiqedile.
uyabona for the fact ukuthi idlozi sizolibiza ngesithakazelo esisodwa esingeke sasashintsha that means sikhuluma ngomuntu owake waphila ngaphezulu komhlaba
azange aphile azange
because of if kuumoya
ubheke ithakazelo yizibongo
bengicanga
ethingithule
bengicanga isikhathi sami yazi
qhubeka singikiyeke kodwa mina ngiyivalile on my site ngiyabonga amabantshisi ngiyabonga ngivalile bengingathi nje
Okay,
kanjani
asimlilo.
because of if bekuumoya besingese sobiza ngesithakazelo instead besizothi imoya thizeni bese siphume kona sithi finish sisiyazi ukuthi sosamonide ngalendlela emile sosamone ngakhona but because of umele ubize ngesithakazelo nane fact ukuthi uze ufike emsamo for the fact that you say so3 super ubani okumele aphahle emsamo mina nje if bengu
Khabe ngathi ubani omela phahla bengithi sofika sithini
exactly ngisho masifike sithini sofike sibiza ithakazelo lezo ithakazelo lezo simemeza amadlozi lawo madlozi lawo ngabantu abenzani abaphila ngaphezukani komhlaba bayini labo bantu labo bayizidalwa lezo noyibiza ngokuthi bayizidalwa bayini bangamadlozi labo bantu labo
ufundisekile
abazona abawona amadlozi baba bangamadlozi
ngiyabonga akusiwona amadlozi ngiyabonga sivaleni
so you cannot call spirits that are marine. No, listen, ehlisa umoya. Ehlisa umoya, calm down. Calm down. Put some uphelelwe.
Ngiphelelwe. Ingakho sengiphethe.
Futhi ngifuna ukuphuma ngifuna ukuyophema Nkosi yami.
You cannot call spirits that have existed before the ancient times of the humankind and then you call them amadlozi. You can't. That is an insult to the spirit world.
Ngiyabonga.
So if
no ngiyasibonga ngempela yiyo kanye lento ebengiloko ngizama kuyichaza
cha kusho ukuthi kusho mina wesivumelana ke but besingazwana.
Okay, my manches, this is my behind the scene, and of course it needs to be Rocky the intro because we're gonna do it on Sunday and we've got a lot, man.
Yeah, there's quite a lot.
So
Esebusuku bafethu ngisayo driver ngapha ngidaki
Hawe u10 ma ngixoxela.
Nje uyishaye uzobona sizoyikhuluma mara ukuthi but yeah siqedini.
ngiyamsebenzisa